Good morning this Monday, the 24th of April. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street ended little unchanged across the key indices on Friday, but down for the week as investors assessed mixed corporate earnings results against the increasing chance of a recession in the US later this year. Shares in Proctor Gamble rose 3.5% on Friday after it reported a sales boost from higher prices introduced across a portfolio of consumer products. Albermarle, the world's largest lithium producer, on the other hand, tanked 10% on Friday after Chile said it would nationalise its lithium industry, a key operational region for Albermarle over the last 40 years. Earnings season in the US has kicked off in a broadly uneventful manner, with investors believing profits beating expectations are unsurprising, as the expectations were set very low in this high interest rate and high cost environment. Over in Europe, markets closed higher as investors responded to corporate earnings results released in the region on Friday. German software giant SAP rose 5% on Friday after reporting higher revenue and operating profit and beat expectations across the board, while Swiss building materials manufacturer Holcim also beat expectations for profits and revenue, as well as raising its guidance. Germany's DAX rose 0.54% on Friday. The French CAC added 0.51%. And in the UK, the FTSE 100 climbed 0.15% on Friday. On the local market, it closed almost 0.5% lower on Friday as the miners and bankers weighed on the local bourse. A build-up in port inventories of iron ore and lower demand from Chinese steel mills caused a drop in the price of iron ore to a 4-month low, which caused investors to sell out of materials stocks on Friday. Taking a look at the commodities front this morning, oil is down 0.2% at $77.80 a barrel. Gold is up just 0.03% at $1,982 an ounce, and iron ore is sharply lower, down 3.33% at $116 a tonne amid stockpiles in port inventories. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open 0.11% lower on the back of the turbulence on Wall Street that ended last week. On the foreign exchange front this morning, one Aussie dollar is buying 67 US cents, 89.69 Japanese yen, 53.45 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has decreased its price target on Lynas Rare Earths from $8.06 to $8, but maintain a buy rating on the rare earths company following the release of the company's quarterly report, including the highest ever output of NdPr from its Malaysian plant. Bell Potter's price target downgrade is due to the uncertainty phase for the company's Malaysia plant, which could face a potential forced shutdown from July 1, due to domestic regulator concerns about radiation levels from the process of cracking and leaching. The next 6 months will be a transitional period for Lynas and remains a high risk to earnings as the company relocates its cracking and leaching operations from Malaysia to Australia. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Hearts and Minds investments, following the formation of a pattern over a period of 187 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $2.40 to the range of $2.75 to $2.83, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. A reminder that ASX will be closed tomorrow for the Anzac Day public holiday, so there will be no morning bell tomorrow. Have a wonderful Monday, and we'll see you on Wednesday. As always, happy investing.